Hi foodies! Keeping in our pork realm, okay, I'm going to make smothered pork shoulder chops with mushrooms and onions and a delicious creamy sauce that's going to be just beautiful, but I'm going to do it all in one pan. One pan we're going to do this, and we're going to brown the pork shoulder. Here's our beautiful pork shoulder. I've taken the bones out, so we have beautiful boneless pork shoulder. I have some onions, some mushrooms on the table. I have some garlic. I have some chicken broth we're going to use, some flour for thickening, and a little bit of cream to give it a little bit of smoothiness, okay? Salt and pepper, and that will make our beautiful dish of smothered pork chops, okay? If you choose to do this without using flour and a little cream, you could use cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup. Either way, I would go with the mushroom soup because this is pork we're making today. Okay, so there you have the beautiful things we're going to put in there: mushrooms and onions. And don't take out. Do it this way. Make it at home and smell up your house so it smells real nice when everybody sits at the table and they're wondering, what is it you're making in there? And also remember, thrifty ways to do by using your pork shoulder, which will come out beautiful and tender when we cook it this way. All right, so there we have it. Watch the shorts, watch the long, watch the shorts, then follow along as I go through the process of making this delicious pork dish, not chuck wagon style, one pan style. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpitzos, as always, making smothered pork chops, and subscribe if you haven't, and we love you all. Pete out.